Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel or welcome back. Today I have some diamond painting items to show you. They are from Paintsomeway. This is one of the things I like to do is show diamond paintings. I work on them, show progress, reviews when they're finished. I also love to talk yarn and crochet. I do a crochet live on Friday afternoons where we always work on a project. And I dabble in books as well. On Tuesday evenings, I do a book discussion live with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. If any of that stuff is of interest to you, please poke around on my channel, check out some playlists, hang out for a while, check out some other videos, and come back and see more stuff. I post quite often. All right, so today, let's get into it. Paintsomeway. Thank you so much, Paintsomeway, for sending these to me. I have two things that I really love, and one of them I need to do like right away. Okay, I'll show you that one in a second. All right, but look at this. Look at this little girl. Okay, I'm kind of cat obsessed now, right? Since I now have 3 kitties. This looks like my Misty. It certainly looks like my Misty. She is just this pretty gray cat. She's got stripes, but she's gorgeous. Look at her. Isn't she cute? This is a 40 by 40 size, so it's a larger one. She's all decked out for Halloween in her little costume. Can you imagine dressing your cat like that? Wouldn't that be funny? But look, we got butterflies and pumpkins and more butterflies. She's adorable. She's simply adorable. I love it so much. It's got 10 different drills. Isn't it cute? Oh my goodness. We got to look at the drills. Got to look at the drills. It'll be so pretty. Wow. I have yet to do one of these 40 by 40s, but this one, this one's tempting me. Tempting, tempting. All right, rhinestones first. Blue, clear, a yellowy color, orange. These are regular black drills, and a little gray, and like a darker gray. There's my cat for you, gray. That's her. All right, look, we have gold stars. Gold stars. I bet they go here. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, they go right on that collar. Oh, they go up on the hat. Oh, love it. And we have gold marquise, which are faceted, and blue marquise. Love this. I love her. She is so sweet. She is so, so sweet. Such a cute little kitty. What a cute little kitty. What do you think? Isn't she cute? Gosh. All right. Came with this toolkit. Wax and pen and boat. And this is what I have to do like soon, before my time is up. So let me just say, first of all, it comes in a box. I appreciate the box. All right. We also have a piece of foam inside the box. We have our toolkit with a chain. My lighting is really weird right now. I am so sorry. Yeah, I don't know why it's so strange. And look, it's September. It's the last one. It's the last one. It's the last one I needed. So it's one of the more simple ones, but I love it. Love it. Love it. Okay. Like I said, I'm going to have to work on it like pretty quickly so that I can hang it for September. I only have a few days left. Think I'll get it done before the end of September? If not, it's ready for next year, right? Okay. What do we have? We have pretty simple colors. Clear, red, green, orange, peach, a lime green, and then here's our special drills. Iridescent, faceted marquise, very small ones. Some red round, some green faceted marquise, and some other red. Love it. Okay, that is really all there is to it, but I have it. It's here. It came in great shape, not broken. Love that it came in a box. Okay, love it. So I have my September gnome, and I have an October kitty. What do you think? Super cute, right? Love it. All right, again, thank you, Paintsomeway, for sending these, letting me pick them out, and I'll link them below in case you are interested in picking up one or both. All right, please hit that like button, subscribe button. If you're new here and you enjoyed the video and enjoyed the content, I appreciate it. Everything you do, watching videos, hitting buttons, hitting like, all of those things, subscribing, all help out a content creator, and we appreciate it greatly. All right, until next time, have a great day, and I'm going to get busy here. I got things to do. All right, see you soon, everybody.